we learn the principles of Feng Shui, use a compass, and identify directions. But did you know that within each of us already resides the ultimate Feng Shui Master who knows you best? It is your intuition. Sometimes it's a sense of inexplicable liking. Other times, it's a subtle feeling of discomfort. This is the key of your body, having a direct conversation with the key of the environment. In the Taoist view, intuition is our innate ability to perceive the Tao before it becomes clouded by acquired concepts. It is a somatic sense, a full-body knowing that transcends logic. When you walk into a space, your body will read the energetic quality of that space much faster than your brain. A harmonious space will make your body naturally feel relaxed and open. An imbalanced space will cause you to feel unconsciously tense and contracted. The ultimate goal of learning Feng Shui is not to become a slave to knowledge, but to awaken and trust this master within us. All the rules exist to verify and calibrate the perceptual ability we were born with. So, how do you listen to and train this inner Feng Shui master? Here is a simple yet powerful exercise: spatial sensing. Step 1. Choose a familiar space, like your own home. Step 2. Let go of all the Feng Shui rules you know. Simply walk through it slowly, like a curious child. Don't think, just feel. Step 3. Pause for a moment in each room and each corner, and ask yourself, what is my first feeling here? Is it warm or cold? Expansive or crowded? Tranquil or agitated? In which corner does your body want to linger? Which spot does your body want to escape from? Write down your feelings. This energy map, which belongs only to you, is more precious than any Feng Shui book. Your inner intuition will never deceive you. It is the best guardian of your personal energy field. From today on, before making any decision about your space, first, be still and ask your body how it feels. It knows the best answer. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue our personal exploration to find your best directions. Thank you for watching.